Welcome back, you all. In this episode, we're going to be learning about guiding science and technology experiences. Science and technology are part of everything we do. Science is a way of thinking that focuses on the process of understanding how and why things happen. Technology focuses on using tools to make those things happen. Much of what children learn relates to science concepts. Their first learnings are often simple yet meaningful. You can help form children's science concepts through science experiences. Technology is changing the way we communicate and learn, and children are a part of this interconnected world. Children use technology tools to figure out their uses. When they use technology, they play an active role in decision making and choices. Young children are growing up in a world with technological tools, and as a result, emphasis is being placed on STEM, which stands for science, technology, engineering, and math, even in the preschool setting. So join me as we learn all about guiding science and technology experiences. So the first objective that we're going to cover is to explain the role of the teacher in guiding science experiences. As a teacher, your role is to promote an understanding and lifelong interest in science. You need to offer space, materials, and activities that encourage discovery. For safety reasons, you must provide constant supervision. You also need to know what you want the children to learn so that they can work alone and then to step in and guide their explorations. The activities you plan should include materials for all children. Children should have ample hands-on activities in which they play, explore, and tinker with new materials. Also provide many opportunities for children to practice observing and encourage children to explore using effective questioning techniques. Questions that promote discussion and require decision-making skills are called open-ended questions. Our second objective, to identify key concepts in science used in early childhood. Science involves the process of observing, measuring, and comparing. There are many key concepts in science taught in early childhood: senses, color, water, foods, body, gardening, air, magnets, wheels, animals, and the environment, just to name a few. These can be concepts themselves and a way to teach science concepts. Science is based on what people feel, smell, see, hear, and taste. As children learn more about their senses, they also learn how to explain their surroundings. Using senses is a way to teach science concepts. Color is another way to teach science concepts, since color is a part of science that children observe daily. Naming colors with one way children describe their world. Mixing colors is another way to teach color. Water delights almost all children. As young children play with water and accessories, they learn about science concepts by trying to make sense of what happens. Science experiments that can be eaten are both fun and educational. By preparing and cooking foods, children learn through a multisensory approach. Children undergo rapid physical changes during the preschool years. One way to teach science is to help children understand their own bodies. Children can learn their body parts and recognize themselves from others. A growth chart can be used to teach concepts of measurement, and the concept of weight can be taught in the same way. The study of gardening and seeds helps children build an interest in growing and tending to objects. You can teach about seeds, observe seeds, plant seeds, and grow a garden. Every day, children have experiences with air. They watch birds fly and feel wind blow against their bodies. Experiences with air will help children learn about their world and science concepts that control air and wind. Teachers can foster this by teaching about air and wind. Children are intrigued by magnets and the science concepts they introduce. Concepts about magnets are best learned through a combination of teacher guidance and hands-on activities. Children see wheels every day, and these experiences should help them learn about the use of a wheel. To learn concepts of wheels, children need to be exposed to many different types of wheels. Field trips promote curiosity, supply opportunities for discovery, and encourage interaction with the environment. Short, focused walks can help children learn about science concepts all around them. Animals can also teach science concepts. Children learn science concepts by learning how to take care of the earth. They need to learn to preserve the earth by keeping it clean. Children also learn science concepts by observing weather. Teaching about weather helps develop environmental awareness. Objective 3, explain the role of the teacher in guiding technology experiences. Beyond just creating technology and selecting software and hardware, teachers must foster technology learning by guiding children's experiences. Technology activities are not bound to subject area, and they can be integrated to support and enrich learning objectives in every classroom and in every curricula area. As a teacher, you should set the stage by introducing the children to digital devices. Begin by familiarizing children 3 years of age and older with the technology area of the classroom. After the basic introduction, let the children explore, experiment, and create with a simple, easy to run, developmentally appropriate program. In introducing technology, teach new vocabulary words for hardware and software. Objective 4, describe how to integrate technology in early childhood. The best way to teach children technology use and skills is to integrate it into every classroom and every curricula area. This can be done in endless ways. Recorders, headphones, e-readers might complement storytelling experiences. Smart boards can encourage social interactions. Digital cameras can record children's successes in block building and art. In choosing how to integrate technology into the curriculum, teachers need to be knowledgeable and careful. When used well, technology can support all areas of the early childhood curriculum and critical thinking skills. Teachers should consider the types of technology available when planning integration. Although technology experiences can enrich children's learning, teachers must ensure that children use technology in moderation. So let's review what we've learned. Young children can be introduced to science and technology through simple experiences. To guide science experiences, teachers must know the objectives of studying science. They must also know how to help children reach these goals. With a solid plan, teachers can then design a variety of activities to teach science. Technology can be integrated into all classroom and curriculum areas. Technology is a way of doing and focuses on creating tools to make things happen, identifying problems, and making things work. Young children's social, cognitive, literacy, language, and math skills are all promoted through the use of technology. So that wraps us up for this episode. You can learn more about this topic by reviewing the resources posted in your course. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me or your instructor. And as always, thanks for joining me for learning all about guiding science and technology experiences. And I'll see you next time.